Now, before we do anything else, I'm going to first mention what the point slope form is and what the slope intercept form is. So the point slope form of an equation assuming that you know that the slope of a line is m and the point that's given on the line is x1, y1, then the point slope form, the equation of the line given by the point slope form is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Okay, so let's start with that one first. We have 2 points on the line. Unfortunately, we don't have the slope, but we can easily find the slope of the line by just looking at the 2 points. So the 2 points in this case are 332 and 3, and you know that the slope of a line is given by y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, which in this case will be 3 minus 32 over 4 minus 3. 3 minus 32 is negative 29 and 4 minus 3 is 1. So the slope of this line is negative 29. Now, in order to get the equation of the line, all we needed to know is we needed m and we needed 1 point x1, y1. Since we have 2 points, we're free to pick whichever of the 2 points that we want. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pick this point since it is smaller numbers. And so the equation of the line using point slope form is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. We know what all of these things are, so I'm going to fill in the blanks. In this case, remember that x1, y1 was the point 4, 3. This point. So y minus 3 equals negative 29 times x minus 4. And now this is the equation that you want using the point slope form. Okay. Next we need to write this equation in the slope intercept form. Now the slope intercept form of an equation is given by y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope of the line and b is the y-intercept of the line. Now we don't know what the y-intercept is, but we need an equation that looks like this. All we need to do to make an equation look like this is we need to take the equation that we previously had and you just need to solve this equation for y. So I'm going to rewrite this as y minus 3 equals negative 29 times x minus 4. First of all, I'm going to simplify both the sides of the equation. So I have y minus 3 equals multiply negative 29 distributed to both the terms. So that's negative 29x. And negative 29 times negative 4 is positive 116. And I need to solve for y, remember? So I'm going to add 3 to both the sides of this equation so that from the left hand side I can cancel off negative 3, positive 3. And then on the right hand side I have y equals negative 29x plus 116 plus 3, which is y equals negative 29x plus 119. And that is the equation that you're looking for in the slope intercept form. Because remember that the slope intercept form needed to look like y equals mx plus b, and that's exactly what you have. Y equals the slope times x plus the y-intercept.